Welcome back to this video. If you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app to import, ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app and your account got restricted after you just sign up or after you just create the account got restricted, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to solve the particular problem of account restricted after you sign up or after you just make payment to supplier. The account got restricted on 1688. Let me show you how to fix the problem. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or ID Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do here, I have a case study right here that I will show you on how we actually fix this particular problem right here. So someone contacts me on my WhatsApp, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. All right, so this particular person here contacts me on my WhatsApp right here. Good morning, sir. Please help me out. Was just on my 1688 app last night. All of a sudden, I just got restricted for no reason. I have uninstalled the app and reinstalled it, no avail. I even updated the Alipay app and 1688 app, no avail. The customer care line is not even going there. I don't know what to do again. So my response, morning, do you have order on transit? This is one of the things you need to take into consideration before you can solve any issue. She said, I want to make payment to one person for a box. I said, okay. Meanwhile, you do not have order on transit. So the response here is yes. Okay, please, do you know how I can recover the account? So this is just my response right here. Send the account screenshot. Let me see what type of restriction you have. And this is the screenshot of the account right here. So this is the home page. And this is the account dashboard right here. Take a look at it. But in the dashboard right here, you notice something here. If you have something like this, it simply means that you have not registered, or it simply means that you have been logged out by 1688. You will be required to log in back. Okay, so this is where the problem starts. They could not have access back to the account. So it simply means that the account has been restricted from certain from some certain features. Okay, so the next screenshot is here, which simply means that they try to log in with the Alipay quick login, but to no avail. This is another screenshot right there. So how we solve this particular problem? So if you find yourself in this category, what you need to do is this. You have to delete the 1688 app alongside your Alipay account and start a fresh account. Okay, this is just my recommended right there, because they try to log in right here. Now to chat with the person be the problem. If I even click the quick login and the send code, I input it, still saying I'm still restricted. So the last final stage here is that they need to make sure they delete the 1688 app and alongside with the Alipay account that was linked to that account. Quite a lot number of people that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app is not aware that you can never ask a supplier any external contact and think that your account will not be restricted. This is where people are getting it wrong. I've made a lot of video about this and people are still making it difficult to understand these things. Now on 1688 Chinese shopping app, there are rules and laws that guide them. You do not have authority to ask any supplier any external contact, whether WhatsApp or WeChat contact. Do not have supplier for that. It is against the 1688 user agreement, and if you violate the user agreement, your account will be restricted, just like what happened to this person's right here. And this is my response right here. I said this is wrong approach, and probably you were asking for something strange from the seller. That is why your account got blocked in the first place. Do you ask for supplier WhatsApp number on 1688? He said yes, and this is where the problem began. So in a nutshell, do not ask for WhatsApp contact or WeChat contact from any supplier. Whatever you want to do it in a transparent way on 1688 app. You want to make payment, pay on the 1688 app with your Alipay or your MasterCard. You want to chat with the supplier, pay or make use of 1688 chat box to communicate with them effectively. And be mindful of whatever you are chatting with them, because if you ask them for external contact that is against the 1688 user agreement, your account will be restricted and you'll be flagged. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to play safe and use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.